Zayn, a curious 10-year-old boy with an adventurous heart, could barely sleep the night before Eid. The house smelled of delicious biryani, kebabs, and his absolute favorite, sheer kurma. His mother had spent the whole day preparing sweets, and Zayn had secretly counted the jars of Eid treats before going to bed. Tomorrow is going to be the best Eid ever, he whispered to himself, hugging his plush camel toy, Jamal, before finally drifting off to sleep. The next morning, after Eid prayers, Zayn rushed home, excited to feast on the mouth-watering treats. But as he entered the kitchen, his heart stopped. "Mom, the sweets are missing!" he shouted. His mother, startled, rushed in. "What do you mean missing? I counted 5 jars last night. Now, there's only 1 left." His father chuckled. "Maybe you ate them in your dreams, buddy." But Zayn knew something fishy was going on. This is a mystery, and I, Detective Zayn, will solve it. Zayn's first suspect was his little sister, Aisha, who had an undeniable sweet tooth. "Aisha, did you eat the sweets?" he asked, narrowing his eyes. Aisha, wearing her pink Eid dress, shook her head. "Nope, I was too busy playing with my dolls. But I did hear some weird noises from the kitchen last night." Zayn stroked his chin. "Interesting." Next, Zayn turned to their pet cat, Pudding. He was known for his love of food. "Pudding, did you steal the sweets?" he asked, placing a tiny detective hat on the cat's head. Pudding simply meowed and licked his paw. No evidence, but I'll keep an eye on you," Zayn said, scribbling in his notepad. Just then, his mischievous Uncle Omar walked in, munching on something. "Uncle Omar, what are you eating?" Zayn asked, narrowing his eyes. Uncle Omar gulped and laughed nervously. A samosa?" Zayn wasn't convinced. He quickly checked the kitchen bin and found a napkin with traces of sheer kurma. "Aha, caught red-handed," Zayn declared. Uncle Omar chuckled. Okay, you got me, but I only took a little." Just as Zayn was about to celebrate solving the mystery, Aisha tugged his sleeve. "Zayn, look!" They saw Pudding pawing at a cabinet. Curious, Zayn opened it and gasped. Inside, they found their grandfather, Dada Abu, with a spoon in one hand and an empty sheer kurma bowl in the other. "Dada Abu, you?" Zayn exclaimed. Grandfather chuckled. "You see, my dear detective, I woke up hungry and couldn't resist." Everyone burst into laughter.